You've had lots of biryanis, but have you tried Pahadi biryani? If not, watch this video. It's very minty. This green Pahadi biryani is very tasty. If you serve it to your guests, you'll only get praises straight from the streets of Mumbai. A caterer's recipe is coming to your kitchen, so watch this video till the end. We eat it weekly. We also sell it in the market, but we don't eat it on a regular basis. We have been covering various recipes here since 8 o'clock in the morning, and so far I have gone over the recipe for khichda. I've covered Malai Sikh biryani and Muradabadi pulao. Khan Sahab is with me. Once again, your full name is Shakil Khan. Shakil Khan is with us. Shakil, what are we making now?
We're making Pahadi biryani now.
So let's start. This is the oil from Muradabadi biryani, the same oil we used to fry the Sikh. So what kind of flavor does half a kilo of oil have? This is fried oil, and we're using it to blend the flavor a bit more effectively. And now you're adding curry leaves. Curry leaves.
Prime Ministers. Ginger garlic.
Paste. Two spoons. No, 2 spoons of chili.
2 spoons of chili.
We're making Muradabadi biryani. Pahadi biryani, yes, Pahadi biryani is being made. I'm covering so many recipes, I'm getting confused.
Call it Pahadi biryani or Haryali biryani.
You can call it Haryali biryani too. Both fine.
What did you add? Coriander, capsicum, and mint.
Coriander, capsicum, and mint. How much coriander, capsicum, and mint? 1 capsicum. Okay. 4 fresh capsicums, a bunch of coriander, and a bunch of mint leaves. It's become very green.
Yes, it will definitely stay green.
Okay, so we are inside the kitchen of Allah. And this is their number. Show your back, show your back, show your back today. That's his job. So 9,820,155,956. This is the number, and now it's going in. Well, in all the recipes I've covered from Laham, I haven't seen any compromise in the material. So far I've used 100 grams in 2 kilograms of biryani. Now it's going in onion flakes, and this is half a kilo. In 2 kilos of biryani, half a kilo. Salt is going in, a handful, 2 handfuls. What kind of masala has Shakil prepared for this biryani? Masala. It's garam masala. You can use any brand.
No, this is homemade.
Yes, and this?
This tandoori masala.
Tandoori masala. This is homemade. Here we have all the spices, but you can buy them online. Garam masala, and if you are trying, if you are attempting. Sugar is going in.
Warehouse, give some water.
Plain water.
No, that's enough.
Just a little, 50 grams of water so it doesn't stick. How much chicken goes in Pahadi biryani? 2 kilos of chicken in 2 kilos of biryani. Not by saying, not by saying.
Don't say.
Look, this is not water, we use milk.
Blend it.
It's all in. It looks very good. Now yogurt is going in all at once. How much? 200 grams. It's ready. Now what will you do?
Now we'll add rice to it, then we'll let it simmer.
It's ready. Now add the rice and let it simmer.
It's original ghee, quite a lot of ghee. Yes, pure ghee.
Your ghee. Now this.
We'll smoke it with coal. Everything will be done inside.
This is all the rice. Bay leaf is going in. Let me tell you, the total price of all the biryanis is currently being taken into account now. And this 0-0. Cumin is inside, black, mine too. How many kilos of rice are we making?
This rice is currently being made and it will be ready in about 10 minutes in Kasturi.
10 kilos of rice is being made, which will be layered in different biryanis in Kasturba.
No, it's enough.
Salt, 2 big handfuls. 10 kilos of rice. For this, 10 kilograms is being made. In Pahadi biryani, the essence of Pahadi biryani is truly captured. Now this 2 kilos of rice will go.
In the preparation of Pahadi biryani, you will need 3 kilos of rice. Keep it on dum for 45 minutes.
This is ours. Malay biryani. Tandoori. And this is our Pahadi biryani, which only has green color and now a slight Keura fragrance. This. How long will it be on?
For 20 to 25 minutes, 20 to 25
minutes. First, our Pahadi biryani is going. This biryani is put on dum in this manner. Place something heavy on top so that the vapor doesn't escape and it stays sealed. Our party. So. Yes, open. Shake it well first. It's stopped. Him.
Gave a lot of water.
Enough, 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 enough. Too much cream. Cheese biryani that we have covered. And this biryani is the special biryani. This is the Pahadi biryani. Sorry, so this biryani is a special biryani. This is the Pahadi biryani. This is Malai sheet biryani. We have covered this. You must watch that video. For now, how does it taste? I'll tell you. My favorite time is when I eat it and tell you how it is. Chicken biryani artit bash. There is more of the mint flavor. The mint flavors are really going strong. If you like biryani with a lot of a cool multi flavor, it has spice too. The spice is slowly increasing.
Overall,
it will cater to everyone's palate. I love their Malay biryani. Also, I love their Muradabad. I love their Chinese food also. I would like to say, please come to Milat Nagar and definitely make sure to try it out. It is just opposite RNARK, you can see. The big building right in front of Milat Nagar Garden, and it is available on Tuesday and Saturday. So definitely enjoy it. The number is also on the screen. You can call and place an order for catering services. Additionally, you can also place an order for catering services. No, you can also come. What are you saying?
this is our government winning.
Also ours.
Thing is, everyone asks which rice is good for biryani.
For biryani, it goes Aliyah, it goes Chacha Chaudhary.
Goes. Chacha Chaudhary, is it C grade or C grade? I don't know either. And after making it, how is the quality of their biryani rice? So you?
Good. We will praise it.
No, praise the biryani. Biryani.
Give more pulses to take from the city.
They come, good.